Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Lucky for you, today's recipe will for sure be a treat. We will be making a cheesecake that is low in fat and calories and perfect for breakfast and dessert. Yes, you have heard it, cheesecake for breakfast. I call this my Greek yogurt parfait cheesecake. In other words, this recipe is your perfect morning yogurt parfait made into the creamy rich form of a cheesecake. It features a granola crust, Greek yogurt filling, and lots of fruits and berries to top it off. Even better, this cheesecake is egg-free, containing tofu instead of eggs. If you're concerned about the calories, each slice of this cheesecake contains only 239 calories. So if you're excited about having guilt-free dessert for breakfast, then let's get started. The ingredients you'll need for the crust are 2 cups of Quaker Harvest Crunch granola cereal around 200 grams, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. The ingredients you'll need for the filling are 2 bricks of light cream cheese, 2 cups of 0% plain Greek yogurt, 3/4 cup of silken tofu, half a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and the zest of 1 lemon. Lastly, you will need some fresh fruits of your choice for the topping. Firstly, let's make the crust. In a food processor, add in your granola, olive oil, and honey. Blend the mixture until the granola is in small, uniform chunks. In a 9-inch springform pan, pour in the granola and evenly spread it out, covering the entire bottom of the pan. Bake the crust at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes and then take it out and let it cool to room temperature. Meanwhile, let's make the filling. In a clean food processor, add in your cream cheese, Greek yogurt, tofu, vanilla, and lemon zest. Blend until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Pour the filling into the pan on top of the crust and evenly spread it out. Tap the pan against the table to remove any trapped air bubbles. And now it's ready for baking. Make a water bath for the cheesecake by filling a baking pan halfway with water. Place the water bath on the bottom rack and place the cheesecake on the top rack. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes or when the edges just start to turn yellow. However, if you start to see any cracking, stop immediately. When the cheesecake is done baking, crack the oven door open a little bit and leave the cheesecake inside. Let the cheesecake cool down slowly in the oven for at least 1 hour, and then cover and refrigerate overnight and let it set. To release the cheesecake, dip a knife in hot water and run it down the sides of the pan. Carefully unbuckle the latch and remove the rim. Finally, let's add the toppings. This recipe is done, creamy and delicious. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating! Bye bye!